Downstairs. There's a sub basement. Okay, so they get water from time to time on the floor. There's a crawl space. So it's an old pit. Electric hot water heater, well pump. Some of the PVC's been changed out. Okay, a really small area here. Probably good, maybe an office or something. And then a family room with another fireplace. A full bath. And a closet. That concludes the tour.